Striplox 90D 51mm, the perfect solution for doing 90-degree joins. This product is very easy to assemble. All we're going to do is off our center line and flush with the edge, mount the hooks. This will require two 8-gauge screws on each component. The components slide together, and then with this very unique locking key, goes into one pitch and then slides and locks. The 90-degree is perfect for a number of 90-degree angles, including a T join, a box join, and perfect for doing a 90-degree mitre join.